Good morning. We are out here at my favorite spot, Lake Hartwell, launching from Brown Road Boat Ramp. We're going to throw some spinners today for bass and see what else happens. There goes a school of ducks. Probably kind of hard to see from here. Got a fish. We got one. Come on, stay on. Alright. Alright. Here he is. Not a bad little pounder. Hope I'm getting that looking nice. Changing hands, buddy. Let's take a look at your other side. Oh, that black and white spinner bait. Shakespeare Excursion. Felt good. It was responsive. This guy here, he got hungry. There you go, buddy. Thank you. I'll say this. These H&H spinners, you get them at Academy for just $1 or $2. The hooks are super sharp on them. Like if they go in a fish's mouth and you set it, you're getting the fish. And I don't even do hard hook sets. And I kind of just reel it in, and when I feel it, I'll give it a little tug and then reel a little faster and let it set itself. They don't come out easy. That was the easiest I've got one out. But these hooks are good. So these H&H mini spinners, having fun with them the last month. They've been on clearance too. I think I got most of them on for like 69 cents. I mean, here's the sad thing, is this was one of my favorite spots. Came down here a lot. This trash has just got out of hand since that tree fell, and most people stopped coming down here because it kind of blocks the path a little bit. You know, it looks better now than what it did initially with all the vegetation that was on it going. But guys, if you're going to come down to these spots, it's public access areas, take your trash with you. Like really, it's not that hard to take with you what you came with. I try and take, more back with me than I came out with. But this, it's a mess, man. It's a mess. I hate that we treat our waters this way, My personal best bass came from this tree right here. It's another really long one. Like, it doesn't look like it would be, but it comes way out here. So I like to go back a little bit. And I was using a wacky rigged Yum Dinger. I think it was a black and blue laminate. But that fish smashed it. It was one of those cool ones where there was tons of people out because it was a nice day, and everybody gets really excited when they see you catch a fish. Makes it fun. Since then, I haven't caught one out here, though. So it looks like a stringer for sure. Let's see. It looks like there's a fish on it. Hang on. Somebody's just going to leave you here because they're a bitch. Come here. I got you, buddy. He's a good-looking fish. It's a shame somebody's just going to let him die out here like this. Hang on there. Stop. Alright, I don't like you being that way. Almost there. I know, this shit ain't fair to you. Alright. Don't you barb me. Alright, I got you. I got you. Hang in there. Let's cut this barb off, okay? It's a good looking catfish, guys. We gotta be better.